After the primary election, wey Edo All Progressive Congress (APC) conduct for across the 18 local government area of Edo State, member wey dey represent Ovia Federal Constituency for the Federal House of Representatives, Right Honourable Dennis Idahosa, wey people sabi as Denko, don win with 40,453 votes the All Progressive Congress (APC) Edo governorship ticket to be the party flag bearer for the Edo governorship election wey go shele September 21st, 2024. Imo State Governor Senator Hope Uzodinma, wey be the chairman of the 7-man committee to conduct the primary election, come talk say dem don count all the results from the 18 local governments and say Right Honourable Dennis Idahosa get the highest number of votes and come declare am the winner of the party primary election and the party flag bearer for Edo governorship election.
We arrived since yesterday, did all the preliminary discussions and dialogue with critical stakeholders, and eventually conducted the primaries, direct primaries, in the 18 local governments and 192 electoral wards. And the primaries have been duly collected and the results returned to our secretariat. Earlier in the day, there was some kind of misinformation as to the venue of the secretariat of these primaries. This is the secretariat where results were collected and is being announced. Of the 12 aspirants that contested for these primaries, we have in this order Prince Clem Abba, who scored 100 votes, Senator Monde Obebolo, 100 votes, Honorable Dekari Anemero, 230 votes, Pastor Osage Ezu Iyamu, who withdrew but yet got 2 votes, Engineer Gideon Ikine, 700 votes, Colonel David Imuse, retired, 400 votes, Engineer Charles Ahewere, 162 votes, Professor Osame Osumbo, 180 votes, Blessing Abomero, 50 votes, Honorable Dennis Idahosa, 40,453 votes, Ns Afolabi Omakihe, 2 votes, and His Excellency Lucky Imasowe, who withdrew, 2 votes. This is here, therefore, to certify that Honorable Dennis Idahosa, having scored the highest number of votes cast, is hereby declared the winner of the primaries and is returned as the candidate of All Progressive Congress for the coming election. In keeping with the guidelines of our great party, having declared the result, I want to take a motion from the delegates that have been elected to do the affirmation so that we can affirm the result by the delegates as a true representation of what transpired in the field.
The primary elections that took place today, 17th of February 2024, across the 192 wards in the 18 local government of Edo State was conducted in accordance with the party constitution as amended in the 1992 Electoral Act. That the election was conducted in a free and fair manner, and the total vote cast was 42,381, out of which Honorable Dennis Idahosa scored majority of all vote cast.
I, Honorable Charles Oronsaye, a delegate from Okada East Ward 2 in Ovia Northeast local government area, do hereby second the motion ably moved by Charity Amayam to formally affirm that Right Honorable Dennis Idahosa is hereby duly nominated.
Any counter motion? If that is a true reflection of what happened in the field, those in favor say aye. Aye. Against say nay. The ayes have it. Thank you.
Honorable Valentine Aswe, Honorable F.A. Stewart, and Honorable Micah Aliyu come talk say let's sweet them for the primary election and say Dennis Idahosa na man wey get better record with projects wey he don't do.
We did very happy today say they don't declare the result. Now this is what we have since expected from him. Because if you see him, Dennis now somebody will be say we know say go win the election for us. Dennis now one of us is in us, is a local content that we expect, not be foreigner. They not be person maybe say come from outside, but now person will live for our backyard. A young man that we know that can deliver. A young man in less than 4 years delivered over 100 projects in Ovia, which he represents. So we want him to come and replicate that gesture, that empowerment in Edo State, and we know he can do it. We are fully in support of him. I will deliver him come September 21st, 2024.
Today na celebration. Today na the beginning of new things for Edo State. You know, say they tell you before, say we ready gidigba. You see, I'm saying this on the first one. We don't clear everywhere. And the truth is, say we won't change the dynamics of politics. Those vultures and vampires won't retire them. You don't tell when they cheat us for this state. You don't tell when they do wuru. You don't tell when we say those old schools. You know, they go there recycle themselves. But now, we the youth don't decide to take our destiny for our hand. We say we must change them. And we already get about to change them. Even you said when they interview me too, so you now youth, you know the truth I tell you. So we already get about to change the entire system. And that's why you see the way this thing happen, you see the way people take come out. And again, the youths don't open their eye. They don't shine their eye. They say, no, enough is enough. You cannot use me and dump me. Now, youth, time now comes. Now because they call this period youth o'clock, this movement. Not just Denko per se. Now youth movement, now be this. So we won't take this thing, carry and come the doorstep of those who elect them. So that they will enjoy the dividends of democracy. Like with the CISO. This is not the beginning. At least make poor man still get chance. Make those who do zero background still get chance. We all know how to they do. Some people in this country don't even know what to be hunger. When you tell them say that you're hungry, it will sound strange. But people like us who don't pass through the main. Dennis Idahosa, now people when we say he passed through the main, not be butter and bread, they take bonamo, not be silver spoon. So person don't go through that maze and they can't reach up to this level house of red. You know, say now picking when he know himself. You know, say now anointed child of God. You know, say now picking when he say you ready to walk it back. And make all this thing happen. As a house of red member, he do almost 200 projects for your constituency. Waiting again. So make we give him a chance so that they can develop those states for us. Now I cost waiting. Now make me there. So now as I talk to you, so my brother, I just be happy. It be like say I won't even touch the sky because I feel good. We ready get it back for September 21 to deliver democracy. We are going to win the election.
Excited because this belongs to the younger generation. This, you know, it's a vote of confidence that the youth can do it. And by the special grace of God, we are going to right the wrongs that the PDP in Edo State have done in the last 6 years or thereabouts.
Youth go club! 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 Youth go club!
According to timetable where the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) released to the general public, Edo State governorship election go shele September 21st, 2024, and them go swear in the new governor for November 12, 2024. Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojisoli, TMC TV News.